Is there a smart and easy way to invest in gold coins and bars? Investing in gold is very much in the news these days. Buying gold as an investment is easy to do, provided a few important factors are taken into account. It might sound obvious, but the first rule would be buy the cheapest gold you can find. This means shopping around and a lot of browsing and comparing notes to find the best deals. There is a difference between dealers when it comes to coins and small bars. You should also take into account the shipping and handling charges, which can also vary between dealers and mints. Currently, gold bars, Cougarans, and sovereigns are perhaps the best way, with gold bars having the lowest percentage premium over the spot gold price. When comparing dealers and mints, compare the percentage over the premium and look at what is the bottom line. What is the total you would have to pay from each dealer for the same coin or bar delivered? But beware, price is not everything. Make sure you take into consideration customer service, reputation, and service after the sale. Buying regularly from the same advisor is another little secret to building up a healthy gold investment portfolio. Even if it's only a small amount each month, it's surprising how quickly that small amount can become a substantial gold investment. Understanding the dynamics of the gold market and its relationship to inflation, a bear or bull market in stocks, financial instability, and so forth are important, and your advisor should be there for you to answer all your questions. For the saver, rather than the speculator, coins and bars are a conservative way of saving, and when done on a regular basis, can reward the investor with a very nice and healthy gold investment. Remember, take care of your money, and your money will take care of you. Call or email us today if we can help. We stand ready to serve you.